gonna brush my teeth. Come and brush your teeth with me. Get your toothbrush nice and wet. Squeeze on a little bit of toothpaste. And now we're set. Brush the front teeth up and down. Brush the front teeth all around. Brush the back teeth up and down. Brush the back teeth all around. Round and side to side. Brush the tops and brush the sides. Not too hard and not too soft. Get the food and sugar off. Woo! Great job! Show your teeth that you're the boss. Now it's time to use that floss. Floss your front teeth, get in between. Help those gums stay nice and clean. Floss your back teeth, that's the way. Fight bad breath and tooth decay. Get that floss between your teeth. Make your breath smell nice and sweet. Not too hard and not too soft. Get the food and sugar off. Woo! All right! You're doing great. We're almost done. Don't forget to brush your tongue. Good job. Scrub that tongue. Now it's time to rinse your mouth.
Get all that foamy toothpaste out.